今日想同同學講一個由幼稚園已經大家好熟悉嘅 conjunction，and water and oil do not mix。 water 我哋叫佢做 uncountable noun，oil 亦都係一個 uncountable noun， 1加1等於2，所以變成一個 plural form。我哋用 do not mix， 我哋唔會用 does not mix 嘅。大家會話咁簡單有乜好講呢？喺呈分試嘅 proofreading， 我哋經常都會遇到一個 grammar 嘅陷阱。Bread and butter is my everyday breakfast。 咦？點解用 is 嘅？1加1喎。Bacon and eggs is my favorite breakfast。 咦？點解用 is 嘅？ Bacon 仲要用 eggs喎。同樣地，英國好出名嘅炸魚薯條 Fish and chips is very famous in the United Kingdom。Research and development is of great importance in tech business。 點解1加1唔係等於2，而仍然維持住一個 singular form 呢？原來因為呢一個係一個 fixed or related concepts， 所以我哋仍然當佢係一個 singular noun。點解呢？因為我哋食 bread and butter 嗰陣時候，我哋係將啲牛油搽上個麵包度，變成一種食品。Bacon and eggs 我哋亦都係變成 one dish。Fish and chips 炸魚薯條我哋當係一種食品，係一個 related concepts， 所以我哋就當佢係一個單數名詞 a singular noun。 好啦，我哋最後睇一睇，當 bread and butter 分翻開再唔係 related items 嗰陣時候，我哋係會用翻 plural verb 嘅。例如 bread and butter are sold in this shop。Bacon and eggs 分開嚟賣嘅。Bacon and eggs are both a lot more expensive than they were 2 years ago。 所以當兩樣嘢加埋 form 成一個 one set、one dish 或者係 one field， 組成一個 new complexity 嗰陣時候，我哋就要用 singular verb。 但係當個 and 字係要連接起 two different things 兩樣嘢嘅時候，我哋係要用翻 plural verb 嘅。